Have you ever paused to marvel at the vibrant murals and graffiti tags that adorn urban landscapes? But is it vandalism or a legitimate art form? Street art, with its roots stretching back to ancient civilizations, has been a subject of contention and debate for years. It's an expressive form of art that has evolved and grown, echoing the voices and tones of every generation. So come along, let's journey through the evolution of street art, exploring its significance and legitimacy in our world today. Street art, a form of expression that has been with us since ancient civilizations, has always been a reflection of society. This art form has evolved from the simplistic cave paintings of our ancestors to the intricate murals that now adorn our urban landscapes. The history of street art is as diverse as the artists who create it, embodying the changing times, cultures, and societal norms. Our journey begins millennia ago, with the first known graffiti artists, our cave-dwelling ancestors. They used the walls of their homes as canvas, depicting their reality in stark, poignant images. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we find ourselves amidst the explosion of street art in its modern form. The concrete jungles of the 70s and 80s, particularly New York, became the backdrop for a new kind of artistic revolution. Artists, fueled by the desire to make their mark on the world, turned to the city's walls, trains, and alleyways as their canvas. Each method, unique in its style, tells a different story. From spray cans to digital projections, street artists employ a variety of techniques to create their masterpieces. Each method is as unique as the artist wielding it, and each tells a different story. Take stenciling, for instance. It's a technique that allows for precision and repetition, often used to deliver powerful, poignant messages. Then we have murals, grand and intricate, transforming entire walls into breathtaking works of art. They encapsulate stories, histories, or just pure, unadulterated aesthetics. Paste-ups are another form. They involve creating an artwork on paper and then pasting it onto a wall. It's a technique that allows for a level of detail and intricacy that can sometimes be challenging to achieve directly on a wall. And let's not forget 3D installations, where artists push the boundaries of the medium, creating art that leaps out from the wall and into the world. Street art often aims at visual narratives and aesthetic appeal, while graffiti, especially tagging, is more about personal signatures and can sometimes be seen as disruptive. Street art is not just colors on a wall, it's a medium to voice societal concerns, raise awareness, and challenge norms. This vibrant canvas of the streets often conveys powerful social and political messages that don't shy away from controversy. Take, for instance, the renowned Banksy. His pieces serve as biting commentaries on issues such as war, capitalism, and authority, pushing the boundaries of what art can say and do. But it's not just the world-famous artists who are making a statement. Local artists too use their work to spotlight community issues, from gentrification to racial equality. Through their creations, they initiate dialogues, stir emotions, and compel us to question the status quo. Street art, deeply rooted in history and diverse in its forms, is much more than just paint on a wall. It's a dialogue, a reflection of society, and most importantly, a valid art form. While many cities have designated zones for street art, unsanctioned works can lead to legal consequences. The question of legality and ethics in street art is complex. It's a balancing act between personal expression and the respect for public and private properties. Artists often walk a thin line, risking penalties to share their vision. Yet this tension adds to the allure and the statement of street art. If you would like to see more of this content, subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching a Wisdom Waves video. I hope to see you next time. Stay happy.